Hi Ali.
Hi Khan.
So how is life in Corona lockdown?
Thought was thinking what can we do in this time?
Well, staying at home, that's most important.
Of course, stay at home, but you have to do something. Staying at home.
What do you normally do?
I watch news on TV, but it has only Corona news.
Right. How long can you watch news?
It become boring and stressful.
Yes, I have started watching news for those reasons.
Really? Then how do you know what's happening?
Once every day I check the news website. That's all.
Only on days.
Yes.
I think that is a smart option. Too much news only spoil mood.
So I exercise every day.
That is a great idea. What do you?
I do every simply exercise. Push push ups and sit ups for half an hour every day.
Hmm. I tried doing yoga but stopped after 2 days.
I chose very simply exercise. If it is easy to do, it's become earlier to do it every day.
You are right.
What else can we do?
I talk to my friends every day.
That's a great idea, but I actually call them and talk to them on phone.
I agree. Talking on a phone call is better than texting on WhatsApp.
Yes, it's help to hear a fan voice.
I know. Also, I start reading.
Awesome, that's great. What are you reading?
I am reading Jungle Books by Rudyard Kipling.
It is a great book.
It is.
Reading is a great way to make the best use of lockdown.
Yes.
We can also watch movies.
Yes, we can rewatch old favorite movies.
Many news ones have to
Yes, there is a lot of movie to watch on the internet.
true. Also, we can use this time to learn some new skill.
Yes, in fact, I read a lot about World War II in last week. And I read about rocket. I always want to know more about rocket, but did not get time.
Hmm. There are many ways to use our time wisely. Also, I get a lot of time to play with my roommate.
Yes, normally you don't get time to play with them.
Yes, I teach and learn English from my roommate every day.
That's great. I too spend a lot of time with my roommates.
Yes, but there are many things we don't do in our normal routine.
But the lockdown suddenly changed everyone routine.
It is very important to take care of each other right now.
Yes, come to think of it, if everyone is staying at home and follow guideline, the corona problem can be solved.
True, we don't have to panic and also don't have to take it lightly.
Yes, be careful, follow guideline, don't panic.
And take care each other.
And exercise every day.
Yes, corona is a problem, but we can solve it.
Well said.
Good talking to you, friends.
Take care.
You too.
Thank you.
Welcome.